Many persons tell you that signing up is very easy, but at the same time it can be very difficult for you. So this video is going to teach you how to sign up step by step and also how to put in my code so you can get that 500 Jamaican dollars that you always be wanting, okay? So guys, if you haven't liked this video, please like, also share with a friend, tell a friend to tell a friend about this video, okay? But before we get into that, guys, this is Lynk Christmas Transfer Madness. Win one of 10 prizes of 10,000 Jamaican dollars when you send 500 Jamaican dollars or more to your loved ones this holiday season. Promotion runs December the 20th to the 27th, 2021. Disclaimer, each transfer of 500 Jamaican dollars or more would be provided username with one entry into a random draw database. User will be allowed to have more than two duplicate transfer to users per day. Winners will be randomly selected, announced via social media or app notification. Search the Google Play Store or App Store or click the link in my bio to download today. Link is safe, secure, and approved for testing by the Bank of Jamaica. Alright, guys? So after you downloaded the app, this is what your screen is supposed to look like. So you're going to place your phone number and you're also going to place a pin that you will remember. Alright, so don't forget that the pin that you place, you should remember it. After that, you're going to verify your number. You should get an SMS, and the SMS with the pin code, you're going to place it right in this part right here. After you verify your number, you're going to move to the next step, which is going to be verifying your full name and also your email. Guys, remember to use an active email. After completing that step, this is where you're going to move to the identity verification. You're going to verify yourself with an TRN, a passport or a driver's license, or a national ID. So make sure you have all your documents prepared and ready. Next step is verification of your face, and not only your face but your voice. This is where you're going to verify your face, your voice, and to move your head slightly to the left or to the right depending on where they tell you to move it, okay? After completing that step, this is what your screen's supposed to look like. Guys, note it, you're not going to get the $500 immediately after you completed the verification process. You have to claim it with my code. And how you claim it with my code is that you're going to go to main screen, you're going to click on the RR right there. After you click on that, you're going to go to rewards. When you go to rewards, then you're going to click on claim bonus, and then you're going to put in my code right there, and then you will be eligible to get the $500 in this app, okay? Alright guys, so this is tips for a smoother and faster verification process. Alright, user must be 18 years and over in order to join Link. Also, they must have a valid Jamaican ID. Alright, also the ID image that you're taking, it must be clear. And also the video recording that they ask you to do, guys, please let it be clear, okay? Thank you so much for watching. God bless.